Yeah, we're really enjoying it. We had you guys put the pool in I guess it was 2021, and the reason we put it in is I've got two kids, two boys, ages 6 and 10, who love to be active, and our backyard was not a place previously that we can come back and enjoy. There were a lot of trees, and it didn't look like this certainly back then, and so we made the decision to make the investment, and it's been great ever since. The kids are in it almost every single day. We plan to be in it tonight, so it's been great so far. Yeah, absolutely. It's big enough, wide enough, long enough. We have get-togethers quite frequently, parties. Kids have the friends over. I go in it every once in a while just to relax myself. It's been everything and more that we wanted it to be. We've had a kick off the summer here past couple of years with the neighborhood and some friends. We've done, both my kids play football, and we've done the team end of season parties here with 20, 30, 40 people, more than enough room in the pool, around the pool, to get a lot of value from it. So it's been great. We've really gotten the value from it. I love the sun deck area, the nice easy way to kind of get in. I have older parents, so it allows them to kind of get in easily if they want to enjoy it as well. The depth of the pool is exactly what we need, and then I like the aesthetic look of the side of the pool where it's kind of almost like that Hamptons vibe, where on the other side it's just all grass. And so from the looks and the usefulness of it, it's turned out great. We used to belong to a beach club, and we're only, I don't know, 15 minutes, 20 minutes away from the beach, and this is actually the first year that we're not in the beach club, because we found ourselves last year spending the vast majority of the time, in the pool and around the pool in our backyard, really getting the value and enjoying it. Yeah, the experience was great. Tom came out and did a nice job, and really heard what we wanted and what we were looking for, and set really solid expectations with us around how long it would take, when it would get done, and from what I recall, everything was delivered on time, and there weren't these really major setbacks or any significant inconveniences or anything like that. It went fairly smoothly from beginning to end. So our experience was really, really good. Yeah, I would, absolutely. Again, you can tell by the way the pool turned out. It's been a fantastic investment for our family, and the experience that I had with Custom Pool Pros was great. I don't really have anything looking back that we wish we did differently. It just all went pretty smoothly.